Hi, hello. We are Martha and Mateusz, so we have prepared for you the choreography based on the English waltz to the song Aladdin. So it's a very nice choreography, so I hope you will enjoy dancing with us. So, let's start. So we will show you the beginning of our choreography. So let's have a look. So, beautiful, isn't it? Alright, and now we will explain how to dance these steps. Alright, let's have a look. And we will be back to you so that you can see us really well. So, the lady is back to us. The man is behind her. And he takes 3 steps forward from right leg. Right, left, right. And with my right hand, I grab the lady's right hip. And with our left hand, we make such a gesture. Let's have a look. Like this. Alright, so I hope that's clear and easy so far. So then we grab our right hand. Yeah, and the lady turns through her right arm, presenting rondo, like this. Then she goes behind man's back, and at the same time, when the lady goes behind the man, let's have a look. The man changes his body weight on the left leg, and our left hands meet together. Right, so then the man turns through his right arm, changing his hand, grabbing lady's right hand, yeah, with his left hand, and he's making a rondo, like this. Hop, hop. Then under his left hand, he turns the lady, and look, holding her like this. And the lady holds the man like this as well. And now we will show you from the very beginning. So, right, left, right hand, hip, gesture, hop, right, rondo, changing, hop, right arm, rondo, hop, under left hand, hop. Okay, we've got it. And now I will show you the lady steps. So we are back to you. And we wait for the man. He grabs our hip and then, look. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. A gesture. Then we grab the man with our right hand, turn through right arm, and we make a rondo with our leg. Alright, so please notice that the rondo has to be really big. Well, it will actually look much better then. We have 2 steps. Rondo, and with the same leg, we have right, left, right, and we finish on our right leg. So behind the man's back. Alright? And now the man makes a rondo. The lady are just waiting, and we hold the man with our hands. Then we face the man, and we are just waiting. We are waiting for the leading. Then we take a right leg step, and we take a turn. Then we grab the man in this way. Alright, so we are in such a position, and man will go around the lady, of course holding her hip like this, and at the same time, with the lady, and we have the effect like this. Let's have a look. And now, if we want to make it right, we need to imagine that between us there is some kind of post. right, that we can't actually move. But we'll just need to go around it. So both the man and the lady have their own track, and we have to keep the distance, right? So please do not spoil it. Alright, so we have finished in this place. Right, we take a circuit, right? And now another gesture, the man is stroking the lady in this way. Alright, I will just show you how to do it. So, look like this. So we go down on her arms and we grab our hands like this. Alright, and now I will show you the next figure. So this way, so that you can see it really well. Well, it will be English waltz step, changeable. So first, the man will go backward and the lady forward. Alright, so lady starts with right leg forward, man left leg backward. Hop. And now, man's right leg to the side and lady's left leg to the side. Hop and join. Alright, and the next step is the same, but actually the other way. Alright, so man right leg backward, lady left one forward, then side and join. Alright, and one more time. Right, left, join. So please do it 3 times. And now we are going forward. So man right leg forward, lady left one backward. Hop, bum, hop, hop, bum, hop, hop, bump. Alright, and that's all. So we got it. And now let's count it. So left leg backward. And on 1, it is a slow step. So 1, 2, 3. And now the other way, the other counting. Look. Slow, slow, hop. And now, look. Slow, slow, hop. And now, right leg. Slow, slow, join. Slow, slow, join. Alright, and that's all about this step. And now, so we have finished here in this position. And now we will have opening man through left arm, lady right one. Left hand to the side, and we meet the lady with our left hand, lady right one, and we are turning the lady left. Then we grab her like this, and that's all, alright? So we will show you once more, maybe from lady's point of view, this changeable step. So, right, left, join, left, right, join, right, left, join, and backward. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And on 1, 2, 3, we open our arms to the sides. And lady gives her right hand to the man. We have such a window here. Let's have a look, window. And we are just twisting a little bit, as quickly as possible, and put her left hand on man's neck, like this. And then we will have the lifting. Oh yes, we'll have the lifting now. So let's have a look at this moment of lifting. Alright, so we had such a position. Yeah. So, we turn the lady. Hop. Our right hand is on her back, here, on her back. Man's left hand grabs lady's left leg. And we lift the lady. Hop, like this. And then we place her. And now I will show you the first part from the very beginning to the end with the counting. We'll show you standing back to you. So we have, let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Okay, 7, 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Alright, that's the end of part number 1. And the next one will be the chorus with the lifting, but actually it will be on our next lesson.